All right, today I am looking at Leak Lock Pipe Dope. So this is the best stuff that you can get for threaded pipe. So I contacted a company to put in this water heater for me because I've never done one before, and I was curious about it, so I kept asking him questions about it, and he said the main thing whenever you're putting one of these things in is using that leak lock. He said that's his secret weapon. As you can see here, everything here is all brand new. He put in all new stuff. He really knew what he was doing. Like, you could tell, like, this guy's done it a million times. Yeah, that was the one thing that he kept on saying. Make sure you use the right stuff so that you're not getting any leaks. Because if you get leaks, you got to do the job over. So I'm sure he's had plenty of times where he had to do it and he had to do it over. He started using leak lock and never had a problem again. He said for gas lines like this, because this is a gas water heater, these gas lines, you just use the leak lock. That's it. For water lines, like what we use up top, they have to plug into the top of the water heater. You still use the leak lock, but you also use the tape. So he wrapped it a couple times with tape, then he put the leak lock on it, threaded it on, and as soon as he was done, he knew that there wasn't any problems. Like, he was confident in his work. So yeah, when I was asking him how to put in a water heater, that was his main tip, was just use the leak lock. And so I'm a believer. In the event that I decide in the future that I want to tackle this job and put in a water heater by myself, that's going to be the main thing on my shopping list, is leak lock. I did the full soap test. There's no leaks, no bubbles. I've been running this thing for a couple months now, and I have no leaks, no water buildup, nothing. So this stuff, it really is the best.